We paint tile roofs primarily to extend their lifespan, prevent water damage, and improve energy efficiency. And painting as well restores those faded looking tiles on your roof that haven't been given attention for years, and it brings back definitely some color enhancement to your property. But before applying roof paint, you got to inspect that ridging. You got to make sure your tiles are clean, and using the right products like a bonding sealer, a decent quality roof paint, a stirrer, proper stirrer to stir that paint, and definitely a good quality brush like Hamilton's Specialist Roof Renovator. Now the Roof Renovator has a maximum volume of blended natural bristle, and it's definitely good for a faster, more even application of coatings onto a tiled roof. Can be used for corrugated and IBR sheeting as well. So with the paint stirrer, I'm going to stir up these products very well. I'm going to be stirring up an acrylic bonding sealer, which is the primer coat for gritty and porous tiles. So bonding sealer binds any looseness on the roof, and it makes sure that our roof paint keys properly, and our roof paint will spread a lot better than without the bonding sealer. But both need a very good stir before application. Okay, so we've got our products well stirred up, our bonding sealer and our roof paint. Our bonding sealer is going to go on obviously first, but we've got to make sure before we start painting the bonding sealer that the roof's got to be clean. So we're just going to give the roof a good wash down with a hose pipe. Make sure that things are absolutely clean. Let's get started. Okay, so we're making sure the roof is clean, and I'm washing it down with quite a strong stream of water. If you have fungi growing on your roof, treat that accordingly. Wash it with a proper cleaner for those problems, but generally make sure your roof is clean. I'm now applying the acrylic bonding sealer, one nice coat. Now the primary function of bonding sealer, it's a binder and sealer. So it definitely helps me with loose grit on roof tiles, and it makes sure my paint is going to key properly and spread further. I just love the Roof Renovator because you can always remove the handle, and it's also got a clip, so it can clip inside a bucket, especially when you're on a roof and you want to take a break. But this is just a quality brush. Absolutely great. It holds a lot of product. It spreads well. And once my bonding sealer had dried for 2 hours, I put 2 coats of my roof paint on to my tile roof, and look at that. We've definitely have achieved the perfect finish. So Hamilton's Specialist Roof Renovator brush integrates quality materials with advanced manufacturing techniques to deliver a brush that I can definitely rely on for the perfect finish. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's it from me, BernieB and Hamilton's.